Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is on how to change your wiper blades on a Volkswagen or an Audi. So the clever engineers put this fancy quick release clip in. However, you can't easily lift up the wiper arm to replace the wiper blade. So to make it really easy for the consumer, those same engineers created a service position for the wiper blades. So to get it into the service position, you put your key in the ignition, turn it to the on position, off again, and press the wiper stalk. So with the blades in the service position, you can then easily fold them out and change your wiper blades using the quick release mechanism. Then check that your new blade is the same length as your old blade, and then simply insert your new blade in on top and snap, it's done. It's then really simple to do the other wiper. Now make sure when you've got the blade off that you don't let it slam down onto the glass, because you wouldn't want it to smash your glass or anything, and you've got the other one on that easily. So with your new blades on, now you need to get the wipers out of that service position. Pop your key in the ignition, turn it to the on position, and tap the wiper stalk. So there you go folks, as much as those engineers try to make things hard for us, there's how to easily and quickly change your wiper blades on your Volkswagen or Audi. If you like this video, feel free to like, share, subscribe.